for and me pesa me kasa about football, Ghana sports. Say ever since Anas Arime ya Anas what they a year expose on Kwesi Nyantakyi eba ya Ghana sports eguye no. I think we are about to see an uplift of Ghana sports again. Answer ne beto aso no. Subscribe and click the notification bell no and no any down screen so say we na latest news via ba on sa ebeka. Me sorry say me can Ghana sports. What I mean is a year football Ghana Premier League any nsema ekoko so na ye nia ye ne me pese me boso Anas ne Nyantakyi nsensem no, but the effect of that and say Ghana ye league no ebegu ye football begu ye Emma ye be forming normalization committee and normalization committee no omujuma ne say omube ginemu as the Ghana Football Association because na GFA boss ye Kwesi Nyantakyi no na sebe ne ho akɔkyere no kakra ama FIFA for abebane no na a lot of players and omobobo ewa Ghana ha say wo mo be call ahonkyere mu a na enye easy a lot of issues but sisia no ende amene wo ka say ya electing new GFA president etie for me de ehonsem ebebro na wehu de sisia Ghana football no ekwakodo a lot of journalists sports journalists ni age nkofo ni age say finally the football is about to rise again. But I'm just saying this, people shouldn't really raise the expectation for the new GFA boss. Now, in the real way, I mean, just say elections, no, of course, so every year. Elections, I would say, the GFA elections has been going on for, I think, as far as I know, no, and almost elected executives are Sebe, almost representing all the various regions. Because when you say Ghana football there, a year in the region it's a division 1 Greater Accra region no almost selected Rebecca said executive some moment and then and I selected the overall GFA boss and then I mean say Mr. Kate Edwin Simeon Okreku and I say Owiniye now Mr. Kate Okreku and go for a friend a short no where you CEO of Dreams FC. Na we be better say Mr. Keto Krekui, what is the track record? Na eno hunti mene the number 1 YouTube channel, Madam Fubia, will run the number 1 YouTube channel. Ewa Ghana has say. Me assure say Utie Sports ewa ho untia ko check your app. Sahara Football. It is the number 1 sports and football YouTube channel in Ghana. We mo concentrate on Ghanaian football. Washa. And no natural say rank wa Ghana ha say na mene no edin komo e ma ne tretre ensem so etre me say oh Keto Kureku in the track record there ade a eye because Ghana ye be dia dance here say the MTN FA Cup the main league na nkasa na any sponsors so but na MTN FA Cup and na FA Cup no more sponsors na teams no ekobo FA Cup na kana na omunije esen league na wo mo bono and an otre me say FA Cup no nipa na wotia no a wo the initiatives eba ekope sponsors ebeba the ebre the MTN FA Cup that time no embra na Nyantakyi wo ho no na eye Mr. Kate Okreku inti at least if for nothing at all na ye hu say he has been managing the MTN FA Cup very well every single year na MTN FA Cup no the teams are always happy when they come together to play the MTN FA Cup. If for nothing at all, right you know that track record. Any say Ghana has say, so our Dreams FC team no, they also have an imager who name say people see them in high esteem. Say Dreams FC Fuyana, womo big teams are womo to me sure more fine. Not to say managerial roles any nyamano abrantia no Keto Krekui what the kobo as our Dreams FC. Intino madam funu say yes Keto Krekui wo sha na nkrofo selecting no say ana before election beba na nkrofo pese wono na wo wini but there were other big names in the election obi to say Fred Papo what you say Fred Papo munia na tese wo mo kan Fred Papo yo bia na nkrofo kan say wo Nyantakyi ne camp Mr. Free nso wono nso na nkrofo eka se Mr. Free nso no wo free beka se George Free munia munim ni din George Free one time na wo Nyantakyi vice president na wono nso wone Nyantakyi ebenya kasakasa bia Nyantakyi besake no kra Nyantechi sake no anche ena sebe Anas enso ede expose no eba Nyantechi ho. But still people were feeling say if George Efriye win here, Nyantechi still could control him because now Nkrofo so say Nyantechi person wode ne Nkrofo share places na ne Nkrofo win here na akoye say Nyantechi no still will control. Nti no George Efriye of Liberty Professional no yebeka say wono ena na wodi second. But to be frank, the contest was between Kurt Okraku and George Efriye. Na rules are womoko na omoko 3 rounds. Yebeka say after 3 rounds of voting, ena Kurt Okraku will win here. Na rules of Ghana Football Association, just like Ghana, election, and they say you have to win by 50% plus 1. Until when you have 50% of the total votes, it was say winning by plus 1. Now the number of delegates are to about for the GFA president, the total number is 120. It is a who person winner. It was say when you have 50% of the 120, which is 60. Now when you're 60 new year, it was say when you're plus 1, e come home. Into no so who person winner at least it was say when you're 61 votes out of the 120, and no any ebe who say we win hands down. Into no first round there, Nkofo bebre koye. Lawyers, lawyer Amanda Clinton here. Lawyer yeni ayenim se nansin woba bontin obetwa bon na apia mensa. Amanda Clinton won open na wo yo ba waka ho. Another lawyer nso your friend lawyer Amankwa ono nso wom Fred Papu no ono nso wom George Efriye ena Kurt Okraku ena another a branch a young guy bia nansin ya wo ye debate a wo winning debate ne kra no no beto so e wo debate ni mu. I think the name ye Bibisa and be something amponsa. Intino womo call first round ni wie no say womo mbenya 0 no enya 0 ba Nkrofo ntia say into womo munya 0 no said womo anto amomo ho ana. The issue is womo nya 0 no they weren't even delegates themselves. Into say womo ntumi enya kwan because a delegates pen e to aba. Into womo claim to me enya kwan anto amomo ho. Into wo hwe Amanda Clinton 0 wonya ya na say she wasn't even delegate herself, she couldn't even vote for herself. But after first round of elections, now I can't crop for 4 because social senior air corner now still will be anywhere when you 60 plus 1 vote into now it was almost second round. Into almost yes, almost second round and Tres a year Fred Papu waka said that be sending a nyama according to no him say walk second round now it will just be a waste of time into no one could Inti womo sanso call second round no na still Kurt Okraku ya na lead but Kurt Okraku winning the first round Kurt Okraku winning by I think 44 votes. What I say but still na you hear 61 votes you can't declare him the president. Second round then so no Kurt Okraku winning by I think 58. Oh, but still, we have 61, so you can't declare him a president. Now, second round, na ka omo trepe Kurt Okraku George Efriye and Mr. Amponsano. Now, one more final round, na it was only Kurt Okraku and George Efriye because one more third round. Into I say Nkrofo mienu way. But third round, one more back na Kurt Okraku was 58 points and 58 votes. Into one more third round, and George Efriye na nkasa ekaso. We accept defeat when him say womoko third round na Kurt Okraku no be winning we accept defeat but embra ewo ho say wa ewo say we winning no ewo say winya 61 even though George Efriye accept defeat as omoko third round no still na Kurt Okraku wonya 50 onya 61 votes no inti yen to me emfa manesa inti na afei ewo say still third round no but the third round no na ebeye ono Kurt Okraku pe na akoda ne yes or no. Someone ati ase. Nti akoda ne Kurt Okraku yes or no na tre say Nkrofo bebre na etoma na yes ena wonya over 90% of yes and that me ne woka say Kurt Okraku is the new GFA president of Ghana. So that's the summary, the summarization, the breakdown me the bro. Nti no bi beka say sisia no ya select new GFA president no. Again ena ABC ewa Ghana football mo and no any part of Niger and Nkrofo niaje because this year they are selecting new GFA president no naturally say normalization committee womo juma asan it is here Ghana no we have nothing like normalization committee biom we are going back to our old ways yenya GFA president a Ghana Premier League ebe share next month nyame boa nti this month ya yebe start say ye register players clubs ni be start so be register players by next month the Ghana Premier League no ashare nti now no we are saying bye bye to normalization committee and now we may announce the effect of the expose no. I think now we've seen the end of it. Ghana abre ye papa. So now we've actually seen the end of it, and people are actually seeing the lights now. Especially footballers are sebe omojuma ebegu ya womukotine if ya sebe now womo embobo no. A lot of them are happy now. That is the end result of that. NTCC and the normalization committee just it will not be in existence again because we've elected a new GFA boss. And we have a new Ghana Football Association boss. Nedin Mr. Kate Okreku and so yetu abama all the regional executives, Division 1 executives. Just say the proper structure of Ghana football has been set. This I set a proper structure of Ghana football no into the date and the by next month not just a football no ashas so this is the news coming through. It's here for Montreal Madrid or comment box to Momedase.